Okay guys, I picked up these toggle switches. Comes from this company. Not much on the paperwork. Called Nilight, I guess. I don't know. Get a dozen of them for, I think it was like $6.99. I don't know. I have the link in the description. Pretty sure that's what it was. They're supposed to be 12 volt, 20 amps, which I don't know what side it was. If you can read that, let's see if we can get closer with a dang light. Yeah, I think you can see that. 20 amps, 12 volt. Now, they don't have no markings on here telling you which leg's which. Generally, the gold one is going to be the ground. These two are going to be your positive. But you can test them with a multimeter with continuity to kind of see, because sometimes these things come with all silver legs. So you just want to see nothing there. But if I switch it, that's basically just where it breaks the circuit. See, it's not going to do nothing over there. It's not going to do nothing. Oops. There. But, you know, when you get your, that should be on. Yeah, so that's going to be your positive. And the other one's going to be your negative. Now, it should be, generally, the one in the middle runs to the battery. This one over here runs to your load. This runs to your load, and then back to the battery. I made a little thing here real quick to show you. And what I got going here is a tangled mess, apparently. Alright. Get the crap out of the way. So we got our positive coming down, going into the middle one. Our negative running over here. And then, and I know I said this goes to the load. Well, we're just going to connect the ground wire from the load to it. But that's what you're going to do. You're basically going to have, and you can connect into it anywhere. This is going to run to your load. And then you're going to have another wire connected to it running back to the battery. Either way, it doesn't matter. As long as you got a ground. Going to your, oops, there goes my camera. That was lovely. So, then what we're going to do is, we're just going to give this a test. Now, all I need to do is hook this. We're going to use this for the load. It's just a test light. We'll hook that to the ground. We'll hook the positive to the end of this. And then when I flip the switch, you get your light. And the little light comes on here. Like I said, it's just basically breaking a circuit. It's fairly easy. But, yeah, I mean, I haven't done anything major with them except for make this thing up. But I just wanted to give you an idea how they work. Like I said, I only paid like $7 for a dozen of them, $6.99. Might as well say $7 for a dozen of them. Tinker around with them. Okay, guys.